Folks, come on over. We got a real different video for you today. Hey, I'm taking down summer and I got projects. Man, do I have projects. Right here on my take on home and garden.
The perfect summer is over in a flash and you're on your way. Somebody near is hoping for tonight. It's not too late. My mind says yes. You've been here for quite some time, but my heart tells me you should stay a little while. Are we at the end or are we at the start? 129 beats per minute from my heart. Anywhere we go is where I'd long to roam. Night or day, I'm taking you all the way, 'cause my heart screams, let me carry you.
Guys, that's right. I'm gonna vlog style show you what's going on. You know, when I do a seasonal conversion, it's a big deal. Let's take a look at what we're doing right now. Okay guys, now normally, you know, we don't want to show a mess, especially Angela. She'll get after me if I do show a mess, but this is where I bring in what I need for our store and weigh everything, labels, packaging, boxes and bags. But I want to show you what's going on today. It's a pretty big move for me. We're putting away blue and white and our wonderful summer lemons. Really hard to see them go, but you know, we're gonna see something new. Here's some blue and white. There's stuff going in the store. This is going back where it's stored, and I'll show you that in a minute. And this is how I do it. Coffee and energy drink. No secret there. Here's a look on top of the fireplace. We've almost got things down now. These curtains are coming down and our regular beaded curtains are going back. Just to give you a quick overview, a pan and more things going in the store. I have to shuffle all this around and around, and these are just boxed up and they don't stay here, but those are items that went in the store and they're going to go upstairs. Now the florals from the living room are brought in. I've set up all my bins for summer flowers and picks and so on, and they're going to get put away. Here you see the big vases that were on the buffet and the fireplace. That's all pulled out. We have different sizes. We have yellow roses. We have different white ranunculus, daisies, and so on. I like to be color coordinated, but sometimes I have to adjust that a little bit as well. So our centerpiece is going to come apart. I know you don't care about watching that, but we're going to show you stages of what I did today. Here's the little sweet Art Deco vase that's coming apart, and the lemons are going to go in their fruit bin. Now here's an example of that. Even though these are yellow, these are orchids, and I have an orchid bin, okay, and a 4th of July. So they're going in that bin. That's how they're going to be organized. Here, the big basket from the living room, I'll tell you, the only way I can take this apart at all, because it's so fun to look at and so pretty, the only way is I know I'm going to make a new one. That's the fun. That keeps you going. That makes it fun instead of a job. And you've heard me talk like that before. That's how you can do all this. Or at least that's how I do all this. Not everybody wants to. But it's a pep talk on how to do it, maybe, if you want. Here's some things coming out for fall. There's a bin for some yellow. And I'm gonna get going on pulling these apart, and we'll show you another stage. What else have I got to do? I've gathered up ferns that I used for the summer because they get used again. Every kind I got in the collection will be used for fall. Fall decorating is big, as you know, and the shelves will all come down and be adjusted as well. Can't do that till the florals are out of the way. What's hiding under the paper? The next two hauls. One that's going in the store and one that we're keeping for collections. And I can't wait to show them. Alrighty. I'm gonna pause and get something done. Well, let me show you where the blue and white goes. We can do that. The living room's slightly taken apart too, but not too bad. All the work is in kitchen, dining room, music room area. Here's the blue and white. Coming back to the pantry, and you see how organized, and I like to keep it together. It's not totally done, but you'll see that by the end of the show too. Alrighty, hey, I gotta get to work. Okay guys, we'll do a little update look and see where we're at. Got one piece of blue and white to put away on the buffet. No other blue and white or lemons showing. A couple on the kitchen island. Now the whole downstairs has been reduced into what you're seeing here now. The big glads are so long, I put them in a plastic bag, tie it, and hang them up. Hang them upside down like that. Like colors, summer flowers, lemons have their own bin. Parsnips, roses, yellow and oranges, and all rosebuds other than red in this bin. A couple of empty baskets for the most part. There's just some greens in the big one. And these plums are left out because they're going to get used for fall. This extra long bin is full now. The smaller glads, poppies, and assorted. Oh, what else we got in there? Crabapple. And then the orchid bin. Now I'm gonna snap these closed and put them away. And here's what's left on the island. 2 pieces to be put away. Almost nothing on the counters now. All washed up, cleaned up, put away. And you know, this is when I'm gonna clean the mantle, the mirror, and so on for the next season. Hey, I've got to do my growth duty too. You new folks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodness sakes, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. We have a lot of fun here. We have the best people, subscribers, and friends on YouTube right here in our community. Okay guys, now you have to admit, it is looking kind of funny here again, like it always does in between seasons. This is what's got to go away. Beautiful spring-like and summer-like things, light blue, white, definitely pinks, birds, angels, swans. Real hard to put it away, but you know, if you've been here, what's coming next. Pretty soon, not in a hurry. Whew, I'm starting to get the shakes. The shelves are half empty. Oh. Almost nothing on the buffet. Alrighty, so I wanted to show you my projects today. This is all done in one day. This is the same day. I didn't go to bed, get up, start the camera again, pretend I did it in 2 days. That it took one day. No, this is one day. Now guys, we got a couple shout outs too to people. We want to make sure that they know we like them here with us on our show. And that would be Susie and Richard in Virginia. Susie, you get well, get over that, so you can come down here to Florida and we can go shopping. That's a must. So we care, and we're gonna see you soon. Luann and Greg, thank you for that recent gift. You'll see that in the video. You guys are amazing. You're this close to walking on water, and you'll find out when I get to tell you in the other video about that gift, because Angela was just looking at that and we put off getting it for a little while, and unbelievable that you sent that. It's not even possible. So you are really tuned in. We're sure we didn't even mention it. Next, who else we got? We got so many to mention, and you won't want to stay here an hour. But our wonderful friend Elizabeth Cumberbatch. You guys are going to want to see this. You're not going to want to miss the next one. When I decorate the dining room for fall, because Elizabeth has sent a couple of new shirts she made for me. That is the Royal Seamstress now here on My Take on Home and Garden. I mean, what a sweet pea. These are not available anywhere. So, folks, that's what's going on today at My Take on Home and Garden. Angela's working on a video. You see what I'm working on. I got a ton to do still. And hopefully you had fun seeing my process of how I go after things. Guess what's happening next? I'll have this all put away, and we're going to decorate the dining room for fall. Hey guys, have fun, enjoy your summer. No, it's not too soon, because it takes us quite a little bit now to get anywhere. So Friday will still be a haul, and then the Monday after this will be decorate the dining room for fall. That's the end of the month. Gotta move along. You'll love it. Take care, everybody. Be good, and we'll see you in the next amazing, incredible, can you believe that guy does all that work in one day? Video.